Now you're in my lap. This is what I see all the time. You want up here, you want me to pet you, and you're all lovey-dovey. Yes, you are. You're all lovey-dovey. You're my lovey-dovey kitty. My lovey-dovey. Lovey-dovey. Taz is a lovey-dovey kitty. Lovey-dovey purr, purr. Purr, purr. Purr, purr. You won't even stay still for me to get you. Oh, bump. Big head bump. Head bump. Gonna stay still for a minute? We won't stay still. Stay still. Purr. I heard a purr. I don't know if the camera heard the purr. Where are you going? What are you doing? Here you come back. You gonna bump? I knew you were gonna bump. You're rotten. You're rotten, rotten, rotten. I can't get your face because you're too close. You're too close. You want me to pet you all the time. Taz wants me to pet him all the time. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Can't do anything because you have to pet Taz. That's why Taz has to be pushed off all the time. Oh, bump. Come back for a bump. Bump. You get down? No? Gonna lay down? You gonna lay in my lap? You gonna lay in my lap? Oh, you're so sweet. Yes, you are. You're so sweet. Okay, that's enough sweetness. I think everybody can see how sweet Taz is. Just when he isn't destroying everything. Mr. Tasmanian Devil. Here we go. Okay, bye-bye. Look at me. Say bye-bye.